Okay, so we're gonna do a new video. So we're gonna do this is gonna be a short one because I think that it just makes the most sense not to just bombard you with a bunch of information. So let's go ahead and create a new file, Python file. I guess it's a third way of creating a Python file. So we're going to create a new function called remove, or at least delete task. So let's go ahead and create a to-do list. Okay. Let's say you say have fun. And let's say, I don't know, run. Okay, I don't know what you do for fun. Let me see one thing. Okay, so then, all right. So if I want to delete a task, okay, I'm gonna do a typo intentionally, and I want you all to learn from this typo. Okay, so let's say for example I want to delete a task. Okay, I press dot because dot is going to be is going to give me a method within the list capacity to therefore delete the task. And so when I press delete, when I press dot or period, you would argue ideally delete should show up. If you remember, when we wanted to add a task, the function, at least the method that we were using, was called append. Well, if we start to look at this list, we don't see delete, but we see remove. And that's what we're after. We want to remove the actual item or the task from that list. So we'll do is use parentheses, and what we're going to delete is have fun. Okay? I guess I didn't make a mistake technically. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to print the list here. So therefore they're going to have both items. And then I'm going to print the to-do list here. Okay, so go ahead and press save. Okay, learning to delete to-do list. Don't know what's okay, and this is video 4. Okay, video 4. All right, great. So when I run this, it should say have fun, and then it should just say run. Have fun, and then run. Now this is why this concept gets its own video, because let's say for example your user makes a mistake. They use lowercase. Okay. What's going to happen is that our computer is going to tell us that some type of error that doesn't make much sense. Okay, it's a type of error that doesn't make sense. So what we're going to do is create this function that removes the task. However, we're going to supply it with error handling, so that when a user provides a item that's not in the list, we'll tell them that that's not in the list. That task is not in the list. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just remove the print statement, remove this print statement, and then define my function. I'm going to call it delete. Could say remove. I prefer delete. Okay, and I'm actually going to give it a task. Okay. Okay, give me a moment. Okay. All right. So then from there, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go ahead and just have this, move this. Okay. Okay. And I'm just going to put task. Okay. Again, this does not solve the issue of if someone were to give wrong information or a task that's not in the list. But how I would do that is to utilize this theory. This is called try catch. Okay, so I'm gonna say try. Okay, try to do this. Okay, and I'm gonna try and do this. And if this gives me an error, okay, do the following. So this is going to be the except. Okay, do the following: except value for error. Okay, so take that error, okay, and then tell user that this is incorrect. Okay, print, okay, incorrect task. Okay. And my apologies, this should have a colon. Okay. Our task not on list. Task not in list. Okay, so describe it again. We have this try. We're going to tell it to try this, and if it gives us an error, inform the user that this is not the right list. Okay, so let's do that. So what we're going to do is delete task, and what we're going to say is spell have fun, and then you know what, just so we can, I won't make it too crazy, I'm going to say delete task, and I'm going to say run with lowercase r. Okay, R1. And so when I do this, it's going to, and I should probably print out the list as well. Print the actual to-do list. Okay. Okay. So, ideally, if I put it right here again, put it here. Sorry, it's gonna print out have fun and run. According to this, it's gonna delete have fun, so there should just be run there, and then it's going to give us the error task not in list, and then it's just gonna print out run. Okay. So it says have fun, great. That's this one. Run, because it deleted have fun, and then tells us that task not in list, and then it just says run again. Okay. However, it'll be better if when we say task not in list, say the actual task. Alright, so remember we'll do that using F so that we can use the literal, and then say task. Okay. So it's telling us that task is not in the list. And then you know what? Let's actually add another one to saying print F the task has been removed. Has been deleted. Has been deleted. Okay? Alright, so now this is going to look a little bit more, pizzazzed, I guess. Okay, so here it says have fun, run. Okay, that's this first one. Remove have fun. The task have fun has been deleted. Then I'm going to print out the list, it just has run. And then now it says task run is not in the list because lowercase r is not in the list. A little bit longer video, but this try catch, try except, my apologies, I keep saying catch, different language. Try except is very, very important in terms of programming, and it's a really neat skill to have. So thank you very much for watching. Have a good day.